The collapsed FTX exchange filed a lawsuit against Grayscale Investments, accusing the firm of mismanaging funds and violating a trust agreement. The company's CEO Michael Sonnenschein and the founder of the parent structure Digital Currency Group Barry Silbert are also listed as defendants. The complaint, on behalf of a subsidiary of Alameda Research, alleges that Grayscale has wrongfully received more than $1.3 billion in inflated management fees over the past 2 years. The plaintiff alleges that spurious excuses for the prohibition of redemption of shares in trusts resulted in a 50% discount to NAV. The company has requested an injunction for Grayscale to unlock $9 billion in equity value in Bitcoin and Ethereum trusts. Changpeng Zhao, head of the Binance cryptocurrency exchange, denied accusations by 3 U.S. senators of laundering illegally obtained funds, reported by Forbes. He noted that the main priority of the platform is to protect the interests of users. According to him, the letter sent by the politicians has been received for the first time. Binance Chief Strategy Officer Patrick Hillman also said that the company is ready to cooperate with the authorities. However, the crypto exchange has not yet satisfied any of the senators' requests. The administration of U.S. President Joe Biden is monitoring the situation around Silvergate Bank and cryptocurrency companies. This was stated by White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre during a briefing. She noted that a number of crypto firms have recently faced significant problems, but did not comment directly on the situation with Silvergate. According to her, the President of the United States repeatedly called on Congress to take action to protect American users from the risks associated with digital assets. Scroll, a Tier 2 network for scaling Ethereum using ZK Rollups technology, has raised $50 million in a recent funding round. It is reported by The Block. Investors include Polychain Capital, Sequoia China, Bain Capital Crypto, More Capital Management, Variant Fund, Newman Capital, IOSG Ventures, and Chiming Venture Partners. Scroll representatives declined to disclose the structure of the round and name the final evaluation of the company. However, according to sources of the edition, the figure could reach $1.8 billion. The startup will use the proceeds to launch the mainnet and expand the ecosystem. According to Scroll co-founder Sandy Pan, in the near future the project will increase the team from 60 to 100 people. According to the results of the previous investment round, the startup managed to raise $30 million. Egyptian authorities have arrested 29 people, including 13 foreign nationals, who stole more than $600,000 using the Hogpool fraudulent network, Al Jazeera reports, citing state media. The attackers launched the online platform in August 2022 and lured customers. They promised great financial rewards for fees from cryptocurrency mining and trading services charged at an attractive exchange rate, prosecutors said in a March 4 statement. In February, Hogpool went out of business, its organizers disappeared with clients' money. They then reappeared with the intention of launching the Riot platform and were arrested. U.S. mining company TeraWulf has tapped 50 megawatts of power from the Susquehanna nuclear power plant in Pennsylvania to mine Bitcoin. At the joint Nautilus facility with Cumulus Coin, the firm connected approximately 8,000 miners to the network with a total hash rate of about 1 EHS. The company plans to deploy a similar number of devices by May 2023. After using the agreed capacity of 50 megawatts, the company can use the same amount of electricity for mining. At the same time, the firm expanded the capacity of its Lake Mariner data center in New York State. After the commissioning of the second building, the operating capacity of the facility increased from 60 megawatts to 110 megawatts. TeraWulf expects the number of active ASIC miners to reach 50,000 by the beginning of the second quarter, with a total hash rate of 5.5 EHS. Bankruptcy crypto exchange FTX said it has a total asset shortfall of $8.7 billion to cover customer claims and $1.6 billion in Bitcoin. In a presentation to the court, the company admitted that it has the first cryptocurrency for $6 million, taking into account receivables of $5 million. The firm divided assets into 2 liquidity categories. In the relatively easy-to-implement fund segment, the value of fiat and stablecoins on hand was $580 million against customer claims of $7 billion. This group included coins like ETH, SOL, and BNB. FTX recorded a $773 million surplus in low liquid assets. However, experts noted that the value of tokens such as FTT, SRM, or Mars seems doubtful. For calculations, the company used CoinMarketCap quotes at the time of the presentation. The Rollkit team has created a modular framework to support sovereign rollups on the Bitcoin blockchain. According to them, the technology allows optimizing the block space, reducing commissions, and opens the way to the implementation of DeFi solutions on the resources of the network of the first cryptocurrency. Rollkit emphasized that the project became possible thanks to the Taproot update, and the Ordinals protocol for issuing NFTs on the Bitcoin blockchain showed the way to the solution. The latter demonstrated how you can publish arbitrary data in blocks. It remained just to implement two functions, sending and extracting rollups, the developers noted. Rollkit supports custom run levels including EVM, COSM WASM, and Cosmos SDK. For integration testing, the project team used a local Bitcoin testnet and Ethermint to run the EVM.